Hallo Deutschlerner! Never in the history of German words has there ever been two-letter words that are more confusing than in and im. Are these the same word? Are they different words? Do they end up having different meanings? What is the difference between these two? I have no idea what is going on. If that's you, well, this video is exactly what you need to clear up that mess. Too long of a lesson for a short, too short of a lesson for a long video, too important of a topic to be ignored. Welcome to today's Shallow German Deep Dive. Let's start with the big answer. In and im are in fact the same answer. In is the actual word itself, and im is actually a contraction of in and dem. This means that in is being used with the dative case here, and we have the article dem for either a masculine or neuter noun. For example, in dem Wald for in the forest. We would shorten it down to im Wald. Im Wald. Wir schwimmen im See. We are swimming in the lake. See is a masculine noun, and when in is used to describe a static location in German, we use the dative case for that. For masculine nouns and for neuter nouns, we use the article dem if it's both dative and either masculine or neuter. You could rewrite this sentence as Wir schwimmen in dem See, which is we are swimming in the lake. It's the exact same sentence, but this one puts a little bit more emphasis on the article itself. In case you don't already know this, in is a Wechselpräposition, which is to say that it uses the accusative case if it's showing a change in location or state, and it's using the dative case if it's showing a static location or state. You'll often see the word im used whenever it's talking about a season or a month, such as im Sommer or im Winter or im Januar or im Februar. While we do say in the summer, so im Sommer makes sense, whenever we're saying in January, we don't say the, so just be careful with it if you're a native English speaker. It is im Januar because it's in the January, sort of. I should also point out that you don't say im if you're following it up with something that is not the definite article dem. For example, wir schwimmen in einem See. We are swimming in a lake. This time it's not specifically the lake, and therefore we're saying a lake, so we have to say in einem See. You can also be rest assured that any time that in uses the accusative case, showing a change in location or a change in state, whenever that happens in German, you can be rest assured that it will never be im, because dem is only used in the dative case. Also, feminine and plural things will never use dem either, so you don't have to worry about ever using those as a contraction of im. Wir gehen täglich in die Schule. We go to school daily. Hält zwei kleine Vögel in den Händen. He is holding two little birds in his hands. Sie geht in den Laden, etwas zu kaufen. She is going into the store in order to buy something. There is one other thing that you might need to know, and that is whenever in is combined with the neuter article das in the accusative case, you can put them together to become ins. For example, springt ins Wasser. He jumps into the water. I hope this helps to shed some light on this little grammar thing. If you want more lessons like this, I started a playlist for my Shallow German Deep Dives over here. Das ist alles für heute. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!